Pero hindi naman ito parang buffet.
Of course not.
Oo.
Like, far from it.
Okay. Ano yung mga example lang, ano yung mga meals?
Kaya nga ako biglang napadiet ka. Kasi,
Pansin ko, laki ng
it
sinaya.
was really just like one piece of meat and more vegetables and a lot of rice.
Okay.
So, it was hard. It was hard. It's not pleasant, but it was enough.
Being in the correctional facility, what was the hardest part? Meron ka bang diskriminasyon na naramdaman? Meron ka bang mga Pinoy na nakita din doon?
Yeah, it was, like I said, it was a very trying experience, but it was an eye-opener also. With correctional facility na yun, I did meet two Filipinos that I was there with. At first, hindi pa kami magkakasama eh. Between 5 p.m. Pagdating ng 5 p.m. kasi pasok tayo sa Zelda. And then, until 8 a.m. yun. So, and hindi mo nasanay, ang meals pala doon is 2 meals a day lang. So, one at 8 a.m. and one at 4 p.m. So,
4 p.m. yung last meal.
4 p.m. yung last meal. So, talagang parang mahirap. Ang nangyari nun, parang ano na eh. Parang weight reduction program.
Yeah,
Ano na inisip ko? Hindi na ko gano'n, pero yun yung inisip ko para lang just to get over it. Hindi ka ba dali?
What do you miss most about the Philippines?
Being with my loved ones. You know, my family, my mother is sick now. Ano miss yung kasama sila. And